guys.
Mama, mami sasabihin na ba?
Hi.
Ano po yan?
Basta siya sa video. Okay tayo. Nandun pa lang tayo sa Bulihan. 20 minutes na papunta. Ayun yung video. Dito she goes. Dito na tayo 18. Parang 2 minutes lang sa bawah. Tricycle naman pala kasi nasa una ng traffic.
Oo, ayun. Hindi siya makaabante, ayun o. Pipilit niya yung truck eh.
Ayan, nauna na yung kotse na. Yun mismo yung traffic.
O, nakarang, ano. Nakakabiglang may sumulpot na malaking truck.
Wow!
Look. Hello. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go to the zip line. Oh my goodness. Wait. So let's get this. Wait. Okay, guys. Oh, that's so many. Oh, that wasn't a person. Wag don't. Look, they're actually fighting for it. Let's try. Oh, let's feed it. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you can jump!
Yeah, it can.
I need one. Little one!
Ay, nalala ko yung joke niya na daw height. Yes.
Ano pa ko yung people yung nakita. Ayun, horse.
What's the sound of the horse? Dyan, I said. Ian, stand up ka dyan.
Ba't ka feeding puso ko?
Go, go.
Yeah, say hi.
Move out. Go, go.
Oh, I have seen this.
Oh, you went here? Oh yeah, kanina.
Go, go.
The flag bearer.
The flag bearer is in the front.
Bro.
Runner. Don't break your
I wish I had classmates.
Yeah, that would be more fun. I wish I had classmates here too, but I like.
Like it will be more fun kung I will
Yeah.
watch it and then send it to me.
Hey, yo.
Just turn around.
Hey, yo, sure.
So cute. Oh my goodness.
They're so cute.
Hey, yo, sure. Why are feeding them in the weird way?
Oh, that's so cute.
Ganun lang. Just be careful not to pour everything. Wow! Up! That's enough, that's enough, that's enough. You wait for it to go here.
Just throw it. Yeah.
Sayang kaya.
Where's the fish?
You
Oh, look, there's a
wait.
fish there.
You just wait. There! See, I told you! I told you they're gonna go to you.
Oh, cute. That's so cute.
They're so silly when they eat.
Baby, there's
You wanna go there? Let's go there.
How come mine was not eaten?
They're not getting it.
Oh no, that's 1,000,000 pieces of food wasted. It's not wasted if they're gonna eat it. They know. Oh my goodness, careful.
Want bread or chicken?
Yung fish, oh. She's eating, bro. What kind of fish is this? Bangus, no? What if i-pour ko lahat siya? Pwede.
Saan tayo ah?
Are we gonna save it? Ay, where's the fish?
Albi Sobin, ano ka daddy? Isa.
Sobrang bait ko talaga. Ang dami. Three, two, one. It's gonna come back at you. Dali, ay nagpa-plan pa lang naman sila. Nagpa-plan. Pero mamaya na tayo mag-plan. If they pagka ginawa nila parang like
Tingnan ko nga, sama. Ito yung mahirap buhatin sa ikig eh. Hey, I'm coming.
no, I don't need the help.
No, I'm not gonna help you. I'm coming by myself. Let's go upstairs tapos baba tayo dun sa kanila. Okay, tapos ride tayo ng 4. Ay! Baka malaglag ako.
Up.
First to go down.
Up.
Pa! Oh! Tatakbo ka man. Oh, you're gonna win! I'm gonna lose!
Here. Yan, picture kita dyan.
Pray everyone! Alam ko gutom na kayo. And so was I.
You're almost there. You have to ring the bell.
Let's